Guys, we're gonna go and buy stuff for like my birthday because I'm gonna go on a trip. I'll see you guys at the first store when I'm there. Okay guys, we have made it to Jackson's Donuts. We're gonna go eat a little sandwich and then I'll meet you guys at I'll meet you guys at the second store. Peace. Guys, we just got off Smart Inviter. I forgot to record because it was a little busy. I'll meet you guys at the other store. Okay guys, we have made it to Fresco. Kind of shyness to record inside though. Okay guys, I had to change this because it did not fit. So now we added apples and my aunt added her secret ingredient. Still need to add more apples. But yeah. This is how it's looking. Okay, I'll come back when all the apples are done and when this is ready to eat. Okay guys, we are all done. We're gonna mix. Okay guys, this is currently the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing for my birthday. And yeah, it's this sweater from my sister's closet. And the shirt from her closet too. Okay. And her shoes from her closet, the pants from her closet. Because I didn't really like the clothes of my clothes that I was wearing. But my sister's wearing my jeans right now. Because I didn't like them. But this is... Oh, and... first time putting on a headband. And I forgot to. And that is all guys. Oh, I forgot to update you guys on the nails. These are the beautiful nails that I got done. Okay, we're gonna be doing my makeup.
mañanitas que cantaba por ser día del santo, te las cantamos a ti. Despierta, vivir, despierta, mira que ya amaneció. Los pajaritos cantan, la luna ya se metió. Qué linda está la mañana en que vengo a saludarte, amigos, a cantar.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Luz. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha, Charmy. Happy birthday to you. You live in a zoo. You look like a monkey and you smell like one too. Woo! Que le sople, que le sople.
¿Qué pida su deseo? Pide tu deseo, mi amor.
Take away.
Deseo.
And no, GUP is not gonna marry you. Keep going.
Que lo
Hey, yo, you just
muerda.
spun it out.
Que lo muerda.
Que lo muerda. Bravo! Take away the candle so you can bite it. Que lo muerda. Que lo muerda. Que lo muerda. Que lo muerda. Just go, Luz.
Que lo muerda.
I won't go hard. I won't go hard. I won't go hard. Come on, just
Que
go.
lo muerda.
This makeup's gonna go in.
¿Para qué te haces para atrás?
Sorry, Luke. Oh my God.
Okay, wait, say cheese. Okay, and the first gift is from Tia Karina. Woo!
I got this bag.
Wow!
I got this one.
Ooh! Se me olvidó.
That's all.
Y no se moja porque es como de cuadrito.
And you got this one from Tia Ana y Pepe. Okay, wait. Co-action scene number 2. Y este lo agarró de Tía Pepe y Tía Ana. Ah, que lo muerdo otra vez. Y este es de Junior. Ooh. Wow. What can it be? Oh, what is that reaction? Oh. That's why I was looking at you like.
A phone.
A phone case? What?
Chorrito.
What?
Coffee for the
Coffee? Okay.
He knows.
Oh, he knows. Okay, Junior.
That's all.
Okay. Bravo. Congratulations. And this other one is from Ivana. Ooh, it's heavy. What can it be? Wow. Ivana. I don't know. I think you have to pull it up on one other side because I don't know how she did it.
I did a bow. I tried to do a bow.
Okay. Dum dum dum.
Spicy.
Ooh, spicy noodles. okay.
A card.
A card. You want now?
Oh my
I feel like not to read that now.
What is this?
Yes, it matches iron ink.
What is it?
You're lying to me.
Wow.
And that's Lulu.
That's Lulu the bunny.
I got an Arizona.
Wow.
And I got
Man.
That's all.
Okay.
Sophia.
And this is from me to you. It's tiny, but like su regalo también por sus uñas. So enseña las uñas. Whoa! Now show your dogs. Show your dogs too.
Get the dogs out.
Okay, well, I got you. Yeah, I got you hair clips. I know. Water because no te deja tomar soda, okay? I got you a face roller. For Cancun, so you can take pictures.
It's cute.
Out of this.
Wow. Oh, this one right here.
Yeah, and this for your camera so you can tripod. Gansito.
Do you like this?
Yeah, do you like gansito? We just got that.
Spicy noodles. You like me?
Oh, man. I like those.
Oh, okay. Good for you.
Sophia,
Open it. Open it. Open it. You thought it was money, huh? Open it. Open it.
She closes it
Open
back.
it. I ordered it, but it's not here yet.
I like these concepts.
Su suéter de GOP que quieren. Essentials. Cállate, Luz, ya. Digo, ya cállate, Luz.
That is all.
That is all. And at the end, I did the decorations.
Yes, thank you, Sophia.
She did the decorations. I wasn't recording.
Oh, so cringy.
Tia Katie, ooh.
Otra vez, una, a ver, una, dos, tres.
Fake, fake.
Hey guys, this is gonna be the end of the video for today because I need to go shower because I got cake on my hair and I don't like that feeling. So I'm gonna go shower. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys love this video and I hope you guys comment and like. Oh, hey, try it on, try it on, try it on. I thought you said it was gonna sound like. Muy bocado.
Oh, good thing I changed it to small. And medium was not gonna fit. It was gonna be too big. Whoa, pa, mira la luz.
Can I see?